Sometimes I think it's worth circling back on a plant that we've talked about before because of the seasonality of the plant. And this is one such plant. This is Seven Suns plant, or Heptacodium. And you know we love multi-seasonal plants, and this really ticks the boxes. So the plant's just going into fall color now, which will be yellow. Not outstanding, but the sepals, which are sort of bracts, after the flower, are just really showy. And this plant is just shining right now. So you have, in this particular case, it's multi-stem. It's grown as a single also. It's 20 to 25 feet, maybe 12 feet wide. So it's a small tree, small ornamental tree. The white flowers are extremely fragrant. We get into mid-July or so, and beautiful white flowers attract hummingbirds. You know this plant's blooming before you see it because it's that fragrant. And then come the sepals, which I just think that's outstanding this time of year. It looks like it's in bloom and it's not. So if you're looking for a plant with multi-seasonal interest, this one really, really hits the mark. Heptacodium, miconioides, again, 20 to 25 feet, prefers full sun. Not a lot of pests or issues with this plant. And then you really can't see it because it's wrapped, but the bark will start to exfoliate as well and becomes very showy. So Seven Suns plant, small ornamental tree in the yard, it's a can't miss.